I am Mr. Brown, the greatest physicist of all kind. I am here to carry out an experiment on refraction of light using a triangular what? Prism. I'm using a triangular prism on that. So as you can see, this is a triangular prism. This is my pencil. This is my protractor. This is my ruler on the ruler. This is my eraser. And these are my pins. This is my drawing paper. And this is my drawing board. My drawing paper is well placed on the drawing board. This practical that I'm about to carry out is what this current SS3 are expecting so far their physics practical is concerned. So let's proceed. The first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to get my triangular prism. I'll place it in the center of the drawing board. Place the center of the drawing board. That is on the drawing board. That drawing paper is attached to. So I'm going to trace it. As you can see, the triangular prism is placed on the center of the drawing paper. So I'm going to trace it. As you can see, I'm tracing it. I'm tracing. So after that, I'm going to remove my triangular prism. So I'll have to label it A, B, C. So I'll now get my what? My protractor to get my normal. I'll get my normal using my protractor. My normal must be on 90 degrees. So this, I'll get my normal from here, which is 90 degrees. I'll now use my what? My ruler to draw a straight line on that point. It must be on that dotted point. As you can see, I've gotten my normal. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to use my same protractor to get my angle, which is angle of incidence. So as you can see, I'm going to use it to get my what? My normal. With my normal, I'm going to get my angle of what? Incidence. I'm going to use this is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So I'm using this, I'm using 60. I'm going to join it. I'm going to join it. As you can see, I'll join it. It must be on that dotted point. I'll join it. So this is what? 60 degrees, which is my what? Angle of what? Incidence. And this is my incident ray. We call it incident ray. So with this, I'm still going to place back my triangular what? Prism. I'll place it back. What am I trying to achieve on that? I'm trying to get the emergent ray. What did I say? Emergent what? Ray. So I'm going to fix 2 pins on the incident ray. I'll fix 2 pins on the incident ray. Fix 2 pins on the incident ray. So I'll get another 2 pins, which I'm going to look from what? BC to get my what? Emergent ray. I'll look from BC to get my emergent ray, and it must be on a straight line. The image of that what? Pin on the incident ray must be in line with this pin I'm going to fix. It must be on a straight line. That's what I'm going to do. I'm closing one eye so that I should get it very well. So it must be on a straight line with the pin on the incident ray. Perfect. So as you can see, I'm going to remove it. I'll remove it. Remove all the pins. Get my ruler, and I'll draw a straight line from that 2 dotted points that I got. Draw a straight line. As you can see, straight line. So I'll call this my what? Emergent. Call it emergent ray. So with the help of my protractor, I'll now get my normal as well. I'll get my normal with the help of my protractor. I'll get my normal, which will be at 90. I'll remove it and I'll now trace it. I'll trace it. I'll trace it. It must be in line with that dotted point. I'll trace it. As you can see, I'll trace it. Okay, so this is called my P1, this is called P2, this is called P3, and this is called what? P4. So this is called angle of what? Emergence, which is equal to the angle of what? Incidence. I'll have to join this. I'll join it. Must be in line. I'll join it. This is called what? Refracting ray. And this angle here, which is A, is called the angle on the what? Triangular what? Prism. So I need to get my angle of what? Deviation. So I'll trace this. I'll trace the ray from the emergent ray. I'll trace it. I'll trace the one from the incident rail as well. I have to trace it. Are you seeing it? So this is my what? Angle of what? Deviation, which is what? D. So the angle of incidence and the angle of what? Emergence. This angle of incidence and angle of what? Emergence, they are equal. So I need to still trace this down so that I'll get my angle of refraction. So this is what? My angle of refraction. This is what? My angle of what? Refraction. So that's all about this practical. Thank you so much for watching.